Here's Pika Labs Animation tutorial. Here's how to create animated AI videos. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create animated AI videos. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end to know how you can watch this. So this is going to be a step-by-step video. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, as you all can see, I'm in the Pika's official Discord server. So if you don't know how to join Pika server, let's just jump into it and I'm gonna show you a step-by-step method. So first of all, go to your favorite web browser. So we'll go to Google Chrome or anywhere. Once you go there, just type in Pika Labs, alright? Once you're here, as you can see, you get pika.art. Just go to pika.art and you'll be here on the official website, or if you haven't logged in, it will say you're on the wait list. So what you have to do is just basically press Discord. You'll see the option of Discord, just press it and it will invite you to your server. So as you can see, I'm already in the server. I don't need to join it, but you will just need to press accept invite. So yeah, once you join this, let's just get some pictures for our animated videos. So I'm gonna show you the idea of how you can get animated AI videos. So let's just go to January 7, and here, as you can see, people are doing their stuff, and this is the first one. As you can see, it's just an example. Someone gave the picture and it's animating. So this is the idea of it. So let us see how our pictures go. So to make your pictures animated, so you just have to press slash and you'll see the option of animate. So here, as you can see, it's asking me to drag and drop the picture. So we're just gonna go and get some pictures right now. Just gonna go here and just gonna get some random pictures, just like we're just gonna get yeah, we're just gonna get animated pictures and cartoonish pictures, or maybe realistic too. But for this one, I'm just gonna use this picture. All right. This one's looking good. Save image. All right. It's saved. Which couldn't save. Why? But yeah, let's just try to download another picture. It's like this one looks good. It's comic. Save. Alright, this one's saved. Alright. Well, let's just download some real pictures, and we're just gonna use this guy's face. Alright. This guy's face is gonna actually animate, so you won't believe me, but I'm gonna show you in a while. The Pika Labs is very useful thing, and it's basically used for many stuff. So gonna use this picture. Alright. Now we're just gonna download a few more pictures just to show you the examples. So let's just wait and watch. So yeah, we can animate some sceneries too. Let's just download some pictures of sceneries. So this one's looking pretty great. Save image. Again, this is file. We need some JPEG images. This one's looking pretty cool. Let's just wait until it's loaded up. Wow, but this one. Save. And now it's time to get some pictures from Pinterest. So most of the time people say that pictures from Pinterest cannot be animated, but in this video I'm gonna prove them wrong. So let's just go and download some pictures from Pinterest and let's just prove them wrong. So in here, as you can see, you get many different types of pictures right now. So I don't know why they are loading up, but let's just download some random pictures. I'm just gonna press download image. I don't know how the pictures look. There you go. We saved this picture. And now let's just type in this one. This one's looking good too. Let's download this too. Alright. And now it's time for some superhero types. Just gonna gather some more pictures just like this one. It could be like very good to animate. So I think we got some enough pictures. Let's just go. And as you can see, you can drag and drop our pictures. So there are two ways of dragging and dropping pictures. So the first one is you can just go and find your files directly and to the downloads, and as you can see, let us first this one, drag here, and as you can see, just press enter. Once you press enter, it's sending the command and it's telling me that the video is generating. So let's just wait and see how it goes. So we're just gonna wait, and basically, as you can see, other people's artwork too. So in the meanwhile, this video is generating. Let's just generate some more video too with it, so we can get a proper idea on how we can get it. Animate again. This is the way on how you can drop it. So let's just see this one picture. Let's open this. Yeah, this one I'm pretty excited about. This one. Press and open. Enter. So yeah, I'm generating two anime pictures at the same time. So you can generate as many as pictures you want at the same time. So let's just wait how it goes. So there we go. Our first picture is loaded up. So let's see how it is. And as you can see, the character is moving its head. Literally, it's animated. The picture that we had before wasn't movable. And let's wait for the other picture. Let me show you the picture that I used. This is basically the picture that I had normally, and this is the animated version. So as you can see, the difference it's looking pretty animated, and the other one is just very simple looking. So yeah, let's just wait for the other video and see how it goes, because it's looking like a real life picture, and see how it is. So yeah, it's gonna take a while, because there we go, we have it. And whoa, I'm pretty surprised, guys. And as you can see, oh my god, it's moving. Like the door's moving and the character itself is moving. That's pretty awesome, guys. And as you can see, it's animated, and I like it pretty much, guys. So let's just upload another pic, because we want to see more pictures from it. So let's just see how this one goes through, because it can literally animate anything. So let's just see how this one goes. I'm very excited about this one, guys, because it's a portrait picture, and see how it goes. Just gonna press enter. All right. And the one more thing is that you have to make sure that your pictures are PNG or JPEG. So without them, you cannot animate it. So let's just press slash and put two pictures at the same time. Animate. And we already had this picture. Let's see how this one goes. I'm just gonna upload a few pictures at the same time and see how the work goes. Sending the command creation job queued. All right, and let's just upload one more picture to see how it actually is. So guys, this is an actual in real life picture. Let's see how it animated is. I'm pretty excited about these two. So we are okay. The first video is generated. All right, let's see how it is. And damn, as you can see, the details. The trees are moving. The trees are moving, and the water is also like going through. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the trees are actually moving, guys. And there are some people too. And as you can see right over here, they're moving too. This looks pretty fascinating, guys. So let's just wait for the two other pictures and see how they are. And in a few seconds, I'm gonna show you one more option. And I don't know if you don't like it, but yeah, it will be pretty useful. And let's just see how this one is. Oh my god, guys, This is actually looks so good. The text is also moving and the person in this video is also animated, guys. This looking pretty clean. You can use it anywhere. And let's see how this one goes. I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. Look at the crowd behind them. They're moving too, and the guy itself is moving. Look at his eyes. This was a picture, and it's literally moving inside, and it's like it came to life. So the last thing I wanted to show you all is that if you don't like the animation somehow, and you want to change it, and you want to see some different results from it, you can just press this, and it will try to generate something different from the first animation. Let's just wait and see how this one looks like from the other one. And the other thing is that you can generate someone's idea too. So as you can see, someone wrote a very big airplane is flying. So this is like you wanted to you don't have time and you wanted to like some as you can see, they gave a very huge detail and you can just press generate and it will generate something for you. But we're not here for this. We're here for the animation. And as you can see, we might get something different. Yeah, we got something different. The trees are moving in this video now. Let me show you the difference. In this video, or the other video, in this video, the text was moving and the character itself was moving. The branches weren't moving. But in this video, the tree's branches are moving. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can create animated AI videos from Pika Labs. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out and this video was helpful. So yeah, and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you found this video helpful. So yeah, peace out until then.